Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Man, before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Now, as you can see, you got the brown box. Y'all already familiar with these, man. So what we got today, we got the Yeezy 500 Blush. You can see the colorway. I mean, I'm not really a fan of Yeezy. You know what I'm saying? I don't fuck with him no kind of way. But we about to fuck with these kicks right now, though. Here they are. The Yeezy 500 Blush. I mean, it's a cool little colorway. You know what I'm saying? I saw these on a smaller foot, and I thought they was dope. You know what I'm saying? But I also saw an all-black pair online that's supposed to be releasing soon. I thought they were dope too, though. But let's look at the shoe, man. You see on the bottom, you got that crazy pattern. You know, all one color. Here's a look at that long-haired suede on the toe box. You can see some of that mesh and leather sprinkled in there. You see the adiprene on the side, however you pronounce it. As you can see on the bottom, sketched in, etched in on the sole, you got 9 marking. You know, so it won't leave any stains on the floor. You got the Adidas in the front. You got your little tab on the tongue, no writing or nothing behind it, just some mesh behind it. I mean, it's an okay shoe, man. Like I said, I saw it on a smaller foot, and it was crushing it. You know what I'm saying? On the back, you can see this combination of the suede, leather, and mesh. Has some of that suede all throughout the shoe. I mean, man, look, it's an okay shoe. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to Yeezy, man, I don't fuck with that. I'm not fucking with him. You know what I'm saying? That's just the way I've been. You know what I'm saying? But on the inside, you see you got Adidas Yeezy. Pretty plain. You know what I'm saying? I mean, let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling them? You're not? Tired of this Yeezy hype? What the deal is, man? There's a look at that hang tag that comes on the kicks. You know, the double-sided hang tag. Adidas logo on the bottom. Like I said, man, y'all let me know in the comments what you think, how you feel about it, man. You know what I'm saying? I know some of these clowns gonna get on here and talk shit to me because I said I don't fuck with Yeezy. Some of the internet thugs, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't tripping off you, man. You're not even worth my time, player. You hear me? But yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504. You know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on, man, because we're about to go in with these videos, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, that's my review of the Yeezy 500 Blush. You know, I'm a little late to the party with the review on them. But it is what it is. Now we're going to get into this on foot. I'ma holler back.